हरतु मे पापं शुभं कुरु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं स्वच्छाङ्गि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु
So happy to see you well together here. I hope the program will be great and successful. I hope you will for joining us. Welcome honorable chief guests, principal, teachers, village presidents, husbands, ward members and all parents. Please cooperate with us. We are little but cute. We are smart but genius. We are interior but intellectuality. Okay, let's start our program. Please kindly don't go until end of the program. Please give me an opportunity to our principal teachers.